In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bar replay in TradingView. Bar replay is a great way to practice your analysis, test ideas without seeing the future, and build confidence in your trade planning. Let's walk through it clearly, step by step, so you can start using it right away. First, open the chart you want to work with in your TradingView account. Pick the symbol and time frame you plan to study, whether that's a daily chart to review big swings or a 5-minute chart to practice intraday setups. Make sure your chart is loaded and visible. If you use indicators, they'll participate in the replay as each historical bar appears, which makes this feature especially useful for testing your process. Next, activate bar replay. Look toward the top of your chart for the icon that looks like a rewind button. Click it to enter replay mode. If you don't see it, try expanding your browser window or switching to a standard layout. Some features can be hidden on very small screens. Once replay is activated, you'll see a blue vertical line with a scissors icon appear as you move your cursor across the chart. This is your playhead. Hover over the exact bar where you want the simulation to start, then click. The chart will instantly jump back to that historical point, and everything to the right will be hidden. This prevents future candles from influencing your decisions and keeps your review unbiased. Choose a bar just before a move or event you want to practice so you can see how your strategy performs as the data unfolds. A replay toolbar will appear with a set of controls. Play and pause to start or stop the action, speed to fine-tune how fast new bars print, forward or step to advance one bar at a time, go to if you want to jump to a specific date and time, and real time to return to the latest bar and exit replay. These tools let you tailor the experience to your learning pace. Now click play to begin the replay. Adjust the speed to match your comfort level. On lower timeframes, you may want to slow things down. On higher timeframes, you can speed it up. Pause whenever you want to analyze, annotate, or jot down observations. If you're practicing precision, use a step to reveal one candle at a time and observe how your indicators update with each tick of history. When you're finished, hit real time to come back to the live market. That's it. Simple, powerful, and incredibly effective for improving your chart reading.